That's fish. That's fish. It's fish. Swing rod working, doing its job.
I looked over the fucking rod.
Take your time, get your current. Keep that rod bent. That's all you got to do. Here comes a barge. Get the net ready. I got it. Tellie's got a fish on.
Pretty big bait, though.
Love
Still.
that bait. Move the Freddy rod out the way. Get out the way. How's it feel?
Decent, but we're also in current.
Well, I know it's hard to tell. With the current.
It is. It is really hard to tell.
Staying down though.
He is. Yeah.
Hopefully we still got that piece of bait on. I'm liking what I see.
Absolutely.
I have something in my mind that I don't want to say.
And don't say. We'll both be surprised. How's that? I know what you're. See bubbles.
Good sign.
Yeah. It's not.
Ah, that is a
Wow.
good fish.
That is nice.
Okay, I need to get on this side. That is a good
Woo!
fish.
Yeah. Good vacation fish.
Over here.
Come on, baby. Nice vacation fish.
Oh yeah, we got him.
He's in the net.
My God, that's a good fish.
Woo!
This just might be our biggest Ohio River.
Nice.
Go ahead and do your thing.
What we
Trying
need.
to hold that line. Just keep some tension on that line. Trying to keep the same.
Yep.
This is a good fish. Oh my God. Let go of my pants.
I'm trying to.
Hold them up my butt crack.
I'm sorry. Just trying to make sure you don't fall.
That is a beast.
Wow.
Alright.
Woo!
Before we take him out of the net, let's unhook him.
Yes.
Need the pliers. That is a beast. See, most people would have just drove right past this spot.
I'm excited. Medium.
Oh,
Yeah, I can do that.
still got the bait.
Yes, we do.
I like it. I like it a lot. Take the handle out of the net, please.
Yes.
So, for people that don't know, when you got a big net like this, get the fish in the bottom of it and just flip the net around the fish and then hook your scale. So you don't have to lift it up so high. I can't read it. 47, 48?
47.8.
47.8. Nice. Alright, you want a glove?
Yep. Yes, I do.
I need my gloves too.
One or both.
It's always good when you got to get the gloves out.
No, wait.
Alright, I'm going to pick them up. You're going to leave them there.
Okay.
I know. That hurt, by the way. It bit me. Alright, I'm going to show the camera. Look at that beast. You sit down.
Where?
Wherever. Here's a tank. Got him?
Nope.
Do you have it?
Yeah. Thanks.
Gotta manhandle that thing.
My hands aren't that big. Need a picture.
I'm trying. Yeah. Nice. Let me get my glove back on.
Yep.
I need his mouth. I need his mouth.
Okay.
I'm nowhere near his mouth.
You there? Are you in there?
Yeah. All right. Let's get him back.
Yeah.
One more look. That's a tank.
Yeah.
That's a tank for the Ohio River. What would it weigh?
47.8.
We'll subtract the net.
So 46.8.
Let him breathe.
Let him breathe. Woo! Nice.
Come on, buddy. Station.
Huh?
Tell me something that you want to go. There we go. He's starting to
Is he
move.
going? Yay.
Come on, buddy. He's just sitting here. It's like he doesn't even want to leave. He doesn't stay our friend. There he goes.
There he goes. Woo!
He went straight down.
Yeah, he did. He went.
That is freaking
Woo!
awesome. They do exist.
They do. I know. Beginning to wonder if
I was
they
telling
did or
I was
not.
so tired of fishing the Ohio River.
I know.
I know they're still in here. I mean,
They are. They're just few and far between.
But I will tell them what's going on. So we're gonna call it for today. Caught that one fish, which is we spent our morning up catching bait, and that was the goal for today, was come out and get some bait. We did that. So then we just wanted to come down river. We've never fished this stretch of river before. We wanted to come down here and just check out the river a little bit. But my transducer, my graph, it would just hasn't been right all morning. And the reason was Telly messed up when we launched this morning.
Wow.
I forgot to unhook the strap on this side of the boat from the trailer. And then we had to pull back up. It was just a mess. We got it undone. Everything's fine. But I didn't notice that the transducer had been knocked out of place. We didn't discover that until we set up here. What was I doing? But anyway.
That's why we didn't mark fish.
Well, there was all kinds of things happen. But we've got the transducer pushed back down into the position I think it should be. But we want to get this boat out of the water, check on that transducer. We need to put fuel in the boat for get ready for tomorrow. Go back, start editing this part of the video. This might be a video all by itself. It might be part of another video. You all, if you see more after this, you know there's more to the video.
Yep.
But anyway, we're gonna reel these in. I'm gonna show you what we're using, the setup that we're using, so that just in case anybody's wondering. But other than that, that's gonna be it for today. And yeah, we're slime covered. Let's get these rods reeled in so we can get loaded up. This is the exact same setup that Telly caught that 46 on. It's a Catfish Sumo rod, Ancient Mariner reel, Andy Monster, 40-pound main line, Andy Monster, 60-pound leader line. It's just a Santee Cooper rig. We're using a 5-ounce weight, a 10-aught. Basically, it's a Diachi, what are they, D85, I think is what they call them, hook. That's what we're using on all these rods. Is how these are our dragging and anchoring setups. It's about a 2.5, 3 foot leader line. It's the way we like to drag. It's the way we like to fish when we're spot locked or anchored. But that's the setup that we're using. We might be suspending tomorrow. You guys will see whether it's in this video or a separate video. But on that note, I'm going to reel this last rod in, and we're out.